I know I'm feeling sorry for me. There's a lot of self-pity going on. Tomorrow I will be...
Magandang umaga po at welcome po sa ating programa, My Morning Manna with Pastor OG. Buksan po natin ang ating mga Biblia sa aklat po ng Haggai, chapter 1 verse 7. Haggai chapter 1 verse 7. Ito pong pagkasabi, Thus says the Lord of hosts, consider your ways. If ang topic po natin sa umaga ito is life lab or life laboratory. Di ba sa loob ng laboratory, doon sinusuri yung halaman, kung okay ba siya, o di kaya tinitingnan mga kapatid kung ang dugo natin ay mayroon bang bakterya, di ba sa laboratory yan. Pero ngayon po ang laboratory na ibig ko po iparating is life laboratory or life lab. Now, bakit natin sinasabing life lab? Kasi nga ganito, consider your ways. Ano ibig sabihin ng consider your ways? Sabi ng Diyos, suriin mo yung buhay mo. Tingnan mo, ano bang nangyari? Because God really cares for us. If God didn't care, He wouldn't ask us to consider the time and the effort we are spending on diminishing returns. If He didn't love us, He wouldn't remind us of all that He has given us. God sees what has happened to us and knows how much we need to focus on Him today. When Christ is the center of your interest, life will be in focus. Always consider that this life is only one, and we have to check every day what is happening in our lives. We have to put our life into the laboratory and check once again, are we doing the things that are pleasing before the Lord? Kaya nga sinabihan tayo ng Lord, consider your ways. Tingnan mo ang iyong mga daan. Dahil mahal tayo ng Panginoon. Kasi kung hindi niya tayo mahal, hindi niya tayo bibigyan ng pagkakataon, mga kapatid, na suriin ang ating buhay. Ngayon sa araw na ito, sa umagang ito mismo, we have to focus on ourselves. Tingnan natin kung anong mga pagkukulang natin, kung anong mga pagkakamali, and start our life once again and repair our life. God bless po at magandang umaga.